Hi guys, welcome again to Branding 5. In this video, I'm just going to help you through answering 2024 paper 1 question 1 to 3. I'm just going to have already answered everything here from this and that. So I'm just going to explain to you on how I answered it, and I would really appreciate if you take the time in listening to my explanation. You can like, comment, and even subscribe, but my main concern is you listening, taking the time to listen through this video. Like for example, this first question was 3 open brackets 2x minus 4 close brackets minus 2 open bracket x minus 1 close bracket. What I did first here is this. I started by multiplying this 3 with everything in this bracket. 3 by 2x, which is 6x, 3 by negative 4, which is negative 12. And then this negative 2 will multiply everything in this bracket, which is negative 2 by x, it is negative 2x, negative 2 by negative 1, it is a positive 2. Why? Negative times negative, it is a positive. So 2 times 1, 2, positive 2. Now, the next step is to correct the like terms. If interfere common, this and this are like terms. This will jump to 6. 6 minus 2x, it is 4x. And this and these are like terms. They will be corrected. Negative 12 plus 2, it is negative 10. You end up with this. You get. If you don't understand what I was doing here, leave a comment. If I was too fast, or perhaps I wasn't helping you in any way, I'll recommend that you comment so that I may know on how I can improve. Thank you. For the next question, we state that negative open bracket negative 2 close bracket to the power 0 times open bracket negative 2 close bracket to the power negative 3. So what I did here is first solve with this one. We have a power 0. Any number to the power 0, it should give you 1. You will get any number that is raised to the power 0, it is 1. So our main focus here, it is this. Can you match to multiply 1 by this? You are going to end up with this here. So now the next stage we have the next stage here we have a negative power. The rule of the negative power states that you either reciprocate if it was a fraction or introduce a 1, meaning 1 highlights over instructs to remove a negative sign. As you can see here, this negative 2 has a positive 3 as a power. The next stage, it is to multiply this negative 2 3 times. Negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, negative 2 times negative 2, it should give you positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2, it is negative 8. That is how I got to this one. Moving on. Oh, by the way, if you have any question about this one here, you can just actually comment. I'll see your comments. I read them all. I read all the comments. In the next video, I'll try to make it so that I respond to your question. For the next one, we have 27y to the power 2 minus 3x to the power 2. What I did here is this. First, you find the common factor. What is common between these two? The common factor here, it is 3, because 3 can go into both 27 and 3. 3 into 27, it should give you a 9. We put these 3 aside, open a bracket. 3 into 27 should give you a 9. Bringing back down this y. 3 into 3, it is 1. So it is 1x to the power 2, but in mathematics, we don't indicate the 1. We just bring the x to the power 2. You end up with something like so. Once you get something like so, what you do next is this. You are going to reduce this 9. Do you see this 9? This 9 will be reduced to a number that when you multiply that number 2 times to give you 9, which is 3. I answered 3 here. Tidy 3 times 3, it is 9. So 3 to the power 2, y to the power 2, and negative x to the power 2. Everything has a power 2. That is when we introduce now the difference of two square methods, which is just the same equation but different signs. If the first one was a positive, it's going to be negative here. But this is a negative, so this will be a positive. This is how you answer this. So anyway, guys, if you have any question about this, I highly recommend that you comment. I will see those comments and then I'll try my best to respond in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.